Good morning, students. My name is Rajesh De Cruz. Welcome to the learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So today again we'll have Geography, Chapter 2, Class 7. Already we had 2 videos of these lessons, and we have discussed regarding the earth structure, that the earth is divided into 3 parts. That means earth structure has divided into 3 parts. The first, already we have talked about the crust, lithosphere. Second one is mantle, and the third one is core. Okay, now we'll have the crust. The crust, earth crust, is fractured into several rocks, plates that float like iceberg or rafts on the upper mantle. So children, talking about the first layer, that is crust, lithosphere, is made of rocks, and it has got several layer, that is called plates. We call it tectonic plates. That is why there is changes in the earth's surface, as it occurs a result of internal the movements, because of the tectonic movements. The word tectonic means build. So the earth crust is rock materials. It is made in several layers like an onion, and it floods like iceberg on the mantle. The movement of these plates causes earthquakes and volcanoes. That means as these plates move, there are different motions of these plates movement. We'll see just now. Talking about as these plates moves, because of this movement of these plates, there is certain activities in the earth crust like earthquakes, volcanoes. This theory is called plate tectonics. According to this theory, a supercontinent called Pangaea broke up 200 million years ago, and the continents drifted on their present locations. So this movement of the earth crust, there is certain changes in the surface of the earth. Okay children, so as the earth crust is made of plates, there are several plates. Where the 2 plates meet, that is called plate boundary, and that occurs. A tectonic plates may have continental or oceanic rocks atop, or even both, and it has got several volcanic activities, earthquakes, and mountain building activities takes place along the plates boundaries that defined on the basis of their movement. So children, there are several movement of these plates. We will talk about of the movement of these plates. First movement of these plates is called convergent boundaries. When 2 plates of varying density like a lighter continental plates and a heavier oceanic plates move towards each other, the lighter plates rise over the heavier plates, forming a deep gap or trench. These are destructive plates at convergent boundaries. So, convergent boundaries talks about that two plates, they move towards each other, and when these two plates comes towards each other, one is heavier and the second one is lighter. Because of these lighter plates, these plates rise under the heavier plates, and because of that there a deep gap or a trench is formed. So these are the destructive plates at convergent boundaries. Okay children, now the second movement of the plate is divergent boundaries. In this movement, when two plates move apart from each other, causing tension in the crust, as you see in the picture, the two plates moving apart from each other, they form cracking and creating wide gaps or rifts. At other place, magma may ooze out and spread, forming mountain ridges. The 14,300 km long Mid-Atlantic Ridge is at an example of divergent boundary. Okay children, now the third movement of the plate is transformed boundaries. In this movement, plates do not converge or diverge. They slip past each other without creating new crust or destroying old crust. These are also called conservative boundaries. USA is a 1400 km long crack formed as a result of plate movements, and also it separates the Pacific plate from the North American plates. So children, already we have learned there are three types of movement of the tectonic plates, and these tectonic plates constantly moving and sliding over the mantle very slowly, but we do not feel when they manifest themselves as earthquake, tremors, and the volcanic activity occurs. So children, now we will see the earth crust that is made of several rocks in the next video, and we will discuss about the earth crust of rocks and minerals. Till then, please see my video and subscribe it and share it. Also children, have some objectives yourself from these paragraphs and do some question answers as a homework. It will help you for your exam. Okay, thank you and bye.